is down in the pre-market. If you take a look right now, the online film company missing third quarter earnings and sales estimates. The company saying that price increases have hurt signing up new users. We bring in right now Edward Williams. He is an analyst for BMO Capital Markets. He's right beside me here in the newsroom. Ed, you have a market perform on Netflix. Did the company just make a huge mistake in splitting that streaming and mail order function?
I don't know that they necessarily made a big mistake in doing it, but I think the key issue that the stock has really gone up on a meteoric rise, basically, with subscriber growth. And what's happening now is that separation of those two plans is leading to some disruption in terms of subscriber growth, and that's really what's going to hit the stock now on third quarter.
Which competitors then are going to gain from, even though you say it's not a mistake, from this move? We'll just call it a more generic thing. I mean, is it Hulu? Is it Amazon? HBO? Who's going to gain?
I think the bigger beneficiary is not the online competitor, but it's probably more likely your Redbox or your actual DVD competitor.
Okay. What do you see for the future of Netflix? We know they're expanding. They're expanding in Latin America. They're expanding in the Caribbean. So they do have their sights set on other markets. And there's also this potential exclusive deal with DreamWorks.
The key thing for me is continued addition of content on the streaming side of it, because the future of Netflix ultimately really is going to be streaming based. So it's a matter of how much content can they get into it to add to their portfolio, and can they continue to grow subscribers on a global scale. And that's really the beginning, middle, and end of it.
What if Netflix begins to produce original content? We heard that that was possible, that they were really going to make a big push to do that. Would that change your opinion, take you from a market perform to a buy?
Yeah, I mean, I think the key thing of having original content is that then it's something that's exclusively theirs, so that the subscriber really has to go to Netflix in order to enjoy that content. To me, that is something that is critical in kind of changing it, but that's remains to be seen whether or not that's something that they're really going to pursue on a more aggressive basis. They've talked about doing something with House of Cards that's kind of along those lines, but just take it to another level is another day.
Ed, thanks for stopping by.